we're shooting this whole video on my phone because my camera, there's like a whole issue with the battery. But this is a house tour. This is my front door. Hello. We have a lot of locks and a peephole, which makes me feel very safe, and I love it. And then when you walk into the house, first there is this little picture. It says life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. It's like a little like magnetized board. And then there's a little picture of me and Charles and some fake money. Why is there fake money there?
It's the decoy money.
Oh, yeah, it's the decoy money.
Somebody breaks in to rob us, they just take that and turn around. And they don't go any further.
Oh, got it. We got this little coat. I almost said decoy coat. We have a coat with a hook. This is an electrical box we never touch. We're not allowed to. It's also our intercom system, which I just realized we could talk to people through it, and I think that's so fun. Down here are all of my shoes. I have more shoes in the back of the house, but these are like my everyday shoes. So I keep those right there. And then we also have a light. And then we also have, I'm not going to open this closet, but this is just our front closet. It's kind of our junk closet. We have mostly junk in there. Right here is something my sister got us. It's a key hanger, and it says it's like a Pokemon key hanger thing, and we actually really like this. It's pretty cool. I think my sister got it on Etsy, but yeah, isn't that cool? She got it for us for Christmas. And then you come in here, and this is our kitchen. Okay, over here is some like dirty dishes because I haven't done dishes yet for the past like 2 days, but this is our Game of Thrones map right over the sink, and then here's our little gnome that protects us. We most usually have knives in here, but they're in the dishwasher. In our last house, we didn't have a dishwasher, and it was one of the worst things on the planet. And in this house, we do. We also have our toaster, and we have all the candles lit. We also have this little spice rack that I got Charles for Christmas last year. He loves it. It's like his favorite thing ever. Over here is kind of like the cooking part. We have our Keurig. We have our stove. Pretty much everything you would have in a typical house. We also have our fridge right here, like mail stuff up there, protein shake stuff. And then this is our fridge with some of the pictures. And then if you open our fridge, there's nothing in it. Have our microwave. We have a bunch of storage in this kitchen, which is really nice because in our old apartment, we didn't have any storage. And we have storage up on top there too. That's like our toolbox, and we keep our trash bags and some vases up there. This is his gallon of olive oil. He wanted to show you guys. Dining room table. We got really lucky because a lot of the furniture that we received for this house was like hand-me-down furniture. All of it, basically. We really didn't buy
everything except the TVs and the beds.
We really didn't buy any of the furniture. This table was given to us by Charles's grandma, and we think it's beautiful. It's actually like a super nice table. We're really lucky to have it. And our dining room's pretty basic. This is kind of our entertainment center. You can see Charles and me in the reflection. That's a picture up there. That also is decoration, but we can't show you because it has Charles's last name on it. And then it's a bookshelf just with like some pops and books and stuff like that. There's more games in here. And then this is kind of our gaming shelf. We have some pictures. We have one row of books, and the rest are all games. And that's kind of this whole wall. It's just, we want to kind of try to put something up here eventually, but we're not really sure what. And I really like this part of the house right now. It looks really cool.
I like three. I know this room already has Pikachu in it, but I would like some sort of art tied to like red, blue, and green. The original Pokemon.
Okay, we'll talk about that later. So over here, this is really new. We actually just hung them up today. Kind of like, we bought these like anime posters. They're all the Ghibli movies. We had this big wall and we didn't know what to do with it. I'm going to back up even a little bit more so you can see. We had this really big wall by the bookshelves. Didn't know what to do with it. So we decided to buy these Ghibli movie posters. I think they're really cool. They're kind of like watercolor of the actual posters. I think they're sick. It took us about 8 months to get these up here and be even. So if they're a little not even, please don't tell us, because we worked really hard to make them even.
They're pretty even. I've got a level. I did it with a level and a tape measure.
We did our best. Yeah, that's this little part, and I think this part looks really cool. I really like it. I'm not a huge anime fan, but I've seen most of these movies now, and I think the posters themselves are just really pretty. So then we have this long hallway, and the only thing that we really have in this hallway is we have this tapestry that is basically just a bunch of plants and cactuses. This was hanging up at my old house. I got it at Target for literally $10, which is why Target is the best place on the planet. I think it's pretty cool. It's really colorful, and I think it looks kind of cool because when you're like walking down our hallway, you can kind of see everything. It's a nice little touch for, this is a really long hallway. We didn't really know how to fill it up, and we can't really have things that like protrude out because we'll just run into them.
Yeah, 100%.
Like
Knock it over.
we would just knock them over. So we kind of just have this here, something flat that still looks cute. So you guys have seen this room, kind of. Right here, this is my office. Right here we have a little hook where I keep a lot of my like satchel type purses. They're just chilling there. Down here is where I keep my yoga mat for when I never do yoga, and my knitting, which for my knitting story time videos. I guess we'll start with the desk. Basically this is my desk. You guys see this all the time. You see the desk. I got sent this little spinny organizer from a brand. I'll have the brand linked down below, and I'll have the organizer linked down below. I actually think this is a fantastic organizer, and it was only like $16. I've had spinny organizers like this before, and they just always like fell apart on me, or they looked kind of cheap. I like this one because it has like the little pearls on it. They're not paying me or anything. They literally just sent it to me if I wanted to, and I want to because I actually think it's really cool. And then I have my favorite candle right now, which is champagne toast. I have my little microphone for when I do edits and stuff, all of that. This is my desktop. It's like brand new stuff over here, my squeaky chair, and then I'll show you guys really quick what's in each drawer. This is not a makeup collection, but I mostly have makeup. This is lips. I changed my storage up recently. Eyebrows and glitters. This is primers and powders, and this is foundation and concealer. And then that's a junk drawer. We're not going to go in there.
Oh, look, my unfinished scarf.
I know. And then over here, we have single pan highlighters, blushes, single blushes, bronzers, and then these two drawers are kind of serving as junk drawers too. So I don't think you guys have ever actually seen this, but this is my little smoky glow sign. I made this.
Oh, they've never seen that before?
No, they've never seen this because I made it. I made it to be the background of my videos. So it would be like cool. You'd see like smoky glow above my desk. Like I thought it would look really...
Like 6 months ago.
I know. I made it literally 6 months ago. And you guys never have seen it. So this is what's above these crooked pictures right here. I made it for my background. You can't see it no matter how high up I put my chair. It's really sad actually because I think it's really cool. But my camera just doesn't get back any farther than what it is now. So you're just never... You're destined to not see it. But it's pretty. I think it's cool. Over here, this is brand new. I got this for Christmas. This is the Alex 6 drawers. I have some stuff on top. I have my story...
6 drawers?
I have my Storybook Cosmetics palettes, a couple books, my digital, like my Polaroid camera, and these drawers. This one has hair stuff in it. I need to transfer a lot of the stuff that's under my desk into that drawer. This one is highlighting palettes, which is so aesthetically fun to look at, like all the glow kits. This one is blush palettes, not a lot, which is good because I'll have room to grow. This one is contour palettes, kind of all thrown in here. And then these are eyeshadow palettes, which is obnoxious. And then these are also eyeshadow palettes, which are also obnoxious. Then over here, this is what I call my little Instagram. Hi. This is what I call my little Instagram like setup thing. This is like a huge, massive mirror that I absolutely love. I put some lights around it, and my little prom queen crown is right up there. Hi.
Hi.
Prom queen crown is right up there. This is a really pretty scarf my sister got me, but I hang it like a tapestry. It says Nepal, and it also has some really cool like Nepalese words and phrases and stuff like that. I really love that. And then over here is the bed. There's a little grumpy cat. I have some other pictures hanging up over there. Some cool pictures right here. All that fun stuff. Some more pictures here. Just some more storage. Yeah, it's kind of a brief room of... I already did a room tour, and a lot of this was in that room tour. So you can see a lot of this stuff. Okay, so sorry if it got a little darker. This is just my filming setup. Basically, I have my ring light. I normally have another softbox, but we're using it to film this video. And then I have all the supplies I need to film my camera, setting spray, brushes, a mirror. I have this monitor here that I haven't figured out how to get work yet, but once I do, I'll be able to have a real monitor. This holds just like headbands, beauty blenders, makeup wipes, tape, random stuff I might need. And these are all my mascaras and eyeliners just held over there. I did a whole beauty room tour that was super in-depth, and you can actually see like the whole thing, everything I have in here. But yeah. Okay, when you walk down our hallway more, you'll see that this is Charles's bathroom. He's very proud of it. I clean it. That's my job. Hi. I look terrible, but this is his sink, toilet, shower curtain. He designed the whole bathroom himself. Like, he picked out the shower curtains and the rugs and all that stuff. And we also found these pictures at Goodwill that are also crooked because everything in our house is crooked. And yeah, this is kind of his space. We have 2 bathrooms in our apartment. There's like a whole reason for it. Basically, we could get a much bigger bedroom if we splurged and got like a 2-bedroom. It was only an extra like $30 a month, I think, so we just did it. So this is our bedroom. It's pretty basic. Not a lot Are you seriously playing your Switch still? He got the Switch for Christmas and he's been playing it nonstop. There's our Switch. We have our laundry right here. We have our dresser. We have the TV I got for my birthday that is massive and I love it. We have more candles over here. I love lighting candles in the house. We have this little frog over here. He just meditates and hangs out. He's in my very first video I ever posted on YouTube. So if you want to see his appearance there, go check it out. And then I keep my backpack and stuff over here. This is kind of my side of the room. I have my 2 massive candles lit right now, and we also have the salt lamp that I got for Christmas. This is just a chair, kind of like a reading chair over here. And this is our friend Peter. Up here, we love him. And this is also a really special pillow because it's actually made out of Charles's grandma who passed away earlier this year. It's made out of her clothes. I love stuff like this. I think this is like our probably most treasured possession. Like if there was a fire, we would grab this. This is one of our favorite things. So we really love that. And this chair is just a little reading chair. Really cute. This is my side of the bed. We have matching bedside tables, which was so hard to find, but we actually got these donated to us too. So that was nice. And I just have like lotions, cups for water. I have my little card right there, stuff like that. And then this is our bed. Can you get off the bed? This is our bed. It's a Casper mattress. We're still going to work on getting a new, this is the blanket, by the way. We're still going to work on finding a new bedspread because this one is not the best. It's like not the greatest. But we're working on that. And we're also going to work on finding, we know what we want to buy to put up here to like decorate this wall because it's very blank right now, but we just haven't bought it yet basically. And then over there is Charles's closet. We're not going to go in there because I don't know what's in there. And this is his bedside table. There's his gallon of water and all of that. And I think that's the whole room.
My 2 laptops.
I forgot to show this, but when you first walk in, there's this little painting that I painted that says enjoy the day. And we have this little thing that has beads and sticks that Charles really hates and a little table. All of my like special coins and stuff are in there. And a candle. And then if you close the door, this is the rest of the kind of shoe storage situation. Cute little bathroom. So over here, this is my favorite part of the whole bathroom. We have my towels, but we also have, this is like my skincare mecca. I just decluttered all of my skincare. I threw it all back in here because we were leaving for Christmas, but I'm going to take all of it back out and bring it to my mom's house because my mom wants to go through it. I have extra shampoos and conditioners down here. Serums and creams go in that one, and then cleansers and toners are in this one. I have my little KKW perfumes that my mom got me for Valentine's Day last year, and I have some other perfumes down there. One is tipped over. These are all of my face masks. I'm still doing face masks quite a bit. I have all of these ones in here right now. I usually do one every other day, and I really love doing those. I have this calming pillow spray that I actually don't like to spray on my pillow, so I just keep it right there. This little Duck Saturday Skin sent me, and then I have my jar. Usually it's a lot more full. I just ran out of bath bombs, actual Lush bath bombs, but usually I keep bath bombs in here. But this is like my favorite little thing. I think it's so Pinteresty and cute. And then over here is my shower. My theme for here is like pink and gold. I kind of went through that theme. And then I have this little wash your worries away sign. This is my little cabinet that holds a lot of my hair stuff. And up there I also have a little sign that says let's be mermaids. I have my little succulents right there and other stuff that I think is really cute. Brush that holds my toothbrush. I don't know if you can see this, but it says I'm a lot cooler on the internet. Charles got that for me a while ago, and it was like right when I started YouTube, and I think it's like literally perfect. And yeah, that's my little bathroom. I got the smaller bathroom because I got the second bedroom, so I gave him the smaller bathroom. But that's what that looks like.